I'm a rambling man. Yeah, that's more like a traveling man. But he was traveling with a Rambler. Or is it Ramblin' Ron? Ramblin' Times? Ramblin' Over? You take your pick, but it's a beautiful Rambler. There we go. 1964 AMC Rambler American. 440. Whoop whoop. Definitely get all kinds of wonderful markings on these older vehicles. Beautiful dashboards, always. You show me an old car with an ugly dashboard, well, somebody don't know what they're looking at then. Because they're always got style. And there's something about a car with style. Especially when a lot of these were made in America. Not saying anything about the foreign cars being made in other lands, but you know, it took a little bit more pride when it was made here in America, your own country. Put jobs in people's pockets. Heck, people bought their own brands, supported their own families, and had style doing it. Well, until next time, this is Willis, signing off.